Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to back up WhatsApp messages on iPhone without our iCloud. So if you would like to go ahead and back up your WhatsApp messages on your iPhone device without using the iCloud, well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application. And once you're already here, what I want you guys to do is to go ahead under your settings option. So go ahead and access your WhatsApp application first. And I want you to tap on your settings right here. And next, I want you to tap on this option under the chat tab and then tap on chat backup. As you see, we will have the option over here to back up our chat just by automatically enabling it or tapping on this button. Now, as of now, it's currently backing up my data, which is why, as you see, it's processing that option. And basically, we just need to go ahead and wait for this to finish backing up so that we could proceed with, well, backing up our chats without using our iCloud. Now, I would like you guys to know that even though it says that this will back up your media to the iCloud, basically, the WhatsApp application does have a separate cloud so that you could back up your data to that and not use your iCloud instead of that. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys did learn something. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.